Jaya cikaro nene cia ruhonge rwa borithi cia kuhurana na WIKINAI rwa DCI nikuo mawakiri matongoretio ni Senior Counsel John Haminwa na Diana Gicego kuma ruhonge rwa TISA mekinyitie. Gitumi kinene ari guikio ngono kwa Muiritu wa miaka 30 Rose Jerry Boro uria ni muhuthiri wa nenda cia KIRIU agikio ngono ni undu wa guthondeka rurenda ruria Akenya mangihuthira gukinya maoni mao ma kwaga kuiganira na mendekithia matiganite mutaratara-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2025.
This young lady made some comments on the finance bill. They were not received well by those in authority, which in my humble view is most unfortunate, because everyone should be allowed to say what he wants to say about the financial bill.
She had created an automated way for people to send their feedback directly to the National Assembly. Social accountability and the actions of citizen is something we believe in.
Kurigana na mawakiri ya Njeri arikirio ngono muthenya wa ira thaa 7 cia muthenya kuria ruhonge rwa borithi rutaigana kumukinyia igoti-ini riu makiuga ona itanya riao ria kumurekereria na bodi ni ringite ihiga.
There was enough time to process bail for her. She is unwell, she has anemia. So far neither I nor Senior Counsel have been able to see what she has been charged with.
Liberty must be protected even at night, during night hours. Here's a young lady, as I've said to you, who is not enjoying very good health. She's a single lady. She has got 2 little children. She's staying alone with them in Nairobi. The 2 little children have remained in an apartment. Nobody is taking care of them and so on. Justice demands that someone in authority should be able to hear this case immediately.
Kurigana na mawakiri ya kihoto kia Njeri na huthiri angia nenda-ini gia kwiaria kiri ugwati-ini riu makiuga riri ni ikinya ria wagarari wa watho na kihoto. Ahuthiri angia nenda-ini makiambika kambiini ya kumereria thirikari makiuga ikinya riri ni ria gucokia bururi hinda-ini ria kuigioterwo.
I'm hoping that Kenyans will wake up and realize that all these freedoms that were hard fought for us by many of our seniors, we cannot allow the government to just take them.
No cikaro cia umuthi cia ungania wa maoni hari kamiti ya kigina bunge-ini iguru rigie mendekithia ma mutaratara uyu wa kigina. Abunge ni marutite mahiti ya Kenya aria mambiriirie kuregana na mendekithia maya makiuga matirathingatithia uma indi marahuthika kuregana na thirikari yo bata maregane nayo.
Kenyans who are opposing, they have a right to oppose, but what I can advise them is that for those opposition, the opposition to help us as members of parliament, they give us specific clauses of why we should reject.
Whatever has been proposed in the bill remains to be a proposal. Even part of the process is to invite later Cabinet Secretary to come and explain and justify exactly how much is he intending to raise from this finance bill and why he proposes specific clauses that Kenyans feel like it should not be there. And then finally, we make a final report that reflects the intention and the wishes of Kenyans, because the law is for Kenyans, not for non-Kenyans.
Kurigana na munini wa muikariri giti kamiti-ini no Benjamin Langat angetheria mendekithia maya ona matire maraithirania wega kumathoma na mararegana na muhatari undu mukinyaniru uri mendekithia-ini maya. Riu Langat akiuga mundu o wothe utarakenio na mawatho maya abatie kuhuthira njira iria ciagiriire na iri na uma gukinyia mateta make.
Some of the clauses in the finance bill are pro-Kenyans. Actually, there is a clause that deals with exempting pensioners from paying taxes. Your grandfather, my grandfather, will not pay taxes anymore from the pensions they get. So, should we reject that one also?
Hadi ni Kameme TV, retora kwa Bataru wa Mwagi.